miss you. Why can't I move on? Thought I left you smiling. My past is holding on. They said keep on praying, things will change. So I kept on waiting. It's the same. When will tomorrow come? When will I see the sun? Will it stop hurting so much? When will tomorrow come? They said keep on praying, things will change. So I kept on waiting. It's the same. They say keep on praying, things will change. So I kept on waiting. It's the same. And when
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. To my new subscribers, thank you so much for clicking on the subscribe button. I truly appreciate you. A warm welcome to you.
You know how old Lizzie is?
No, I don't. To my regular subscribers, thank you so much for continuing to click on my video and watching it and commenting and putting hearts and doing all those nice things. I truly appreciate you. It's a start of a new vlog. I was just my regular Saturday, as you guys know, the laundry, the cleaning, the works. Yeah, nothing special, nothing hectic. We just love this vlogging stuff. So yeah guys, let me just finish up. But I'm just tired. I want to relax today. I don't want to do much. Yeah, then we'll catch up a bit later on. Yeah guys, we'll catch up later.
Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself again. Give me something for the pain. Always trying to pretend that I'm not living just a lie. Broken heart and shattered lives. Let me go for one day. Let me lose myself.